The fact that we share the same country with these same people that didn't view us as humans genuinely disgusts me. Number one, South Africa is the greatest country ever. Not because of her politics, but simply because God has got a purpose, a plan, and a destiny for this beautiful country. Number two, apartheid was absolutely evil, wicked, and ungodly. It's not right, and by no means do I try and support it in any way, shape, or form. I'm completely against it, and I completely reject apartheid because any type of segregation is evil, because in God's eyes, we are all equal in His eyes. We are all made in His image. We are all made in His likeness, and therefore you and I should not even look at the color of someone's skin, but much rather their character, their soul, and the actions that they essentially take. Thirdly, evil and good can happen through a white person, a black person, a colored person, an Indian person, an Asian person. Because again, why? Good and evil's got nothing to do with the color of your skin. Number four, though apartheid was absolutely evil, wicked, and ungodly, what is also evil and equally evil is by us as a group of people holding a particular race hostage and captive for wrongs and mistakes and evil that they never did. The evil that was committed during the time of apartheid was done by an absolute minority grouping of individuals, all right? And of course, it was wrong. However, to hold individuals captive for something that they never did and to hold them hostage or try and hold them accountable for something that they never did is equally ungodly, wicked, and evil. The way forward is that we need people to have the mindset of being a giver and not a taker within this country, having the mindset of being a builder and not a burner, and any type of racism should be drastically punished in a huge and massive way. Any politician that decides to voice a race in order to create divide should be arrested and chucked into prison moving forward, at least within my opinion, because making things about race will directly again divide us and distract us from the actual fight, which is essentially between good versus evil, light versus darkness, what is beautiful versus what is ugly, all right, what is righteous versus what is corrupt. Make sure that you fight the right fight, because no other fight is worth fighting but the fight God has ultimately called you and I to fight, which is to build and rebuild a greater, brighter, more brilliant future for this beautiful country.